Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions. Plug in your microphone, set headphones to a comfortable level, and open your chosen app, Discord, Zoom, or Game Voice. Once done, pick the correct input device in settings and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz so voices sound natural. Make sure permissions are allowed for the app, otherwise nothing reaches the channel. Now create or join a voice channel and enable push-to-talk if you prefer precise control. Once connected, fine-tune settings to improve clarity. You should lower mic gain if you see red peaks, because clipping ruins intelligibility. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation so background sounds and feedback vanish, then record a short 10-15 second clip to confirm changes. Next, choose push-to-talk or set open mic sensitivity carefully. Push-to-talk reduces interruptions, while open mic is faster but needs higher suppression. Make sure latency settings favor responsiveness, and repeat tests until speech is. You finish by verifying real-world performance. Ask teammates to confirm volume and clarity and make small adjustments until everyone is comfortable. Save your profile or settings so you can reopen the same configuration next time. If something goes wrong, follow a clear troubleshooting path. Restart the app, reboot your computer, check operating system microphone permissions, and try another USB port or cable. If that still fails, swap hardware briefly to isolate a faulty mic. This isolates software versus hardware causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.